Yoga will help to increase your strength. It will help to increase your strength and flexibility. It will also help to increase your immune system, and it will also help for a better sleep, and it will be helpful for such digestive system related disorders like acidity, gas, constipation, and nervous system related disorders like Alzheimer, Parkinson, epilepsy. And it will be also helpful for PCOD, PCOS, menstrual symptoms, and menopausal discomfort, and certain cardiovascular disease like high BP or low BP, then COPD, asthma, COVID. It will be helpful in that.
What kind of muscles generally people stretch when they practice yoga poses?
Like in different asana, they stretches different muscles like hamstring, calf, then gastrocnemius, quadriceps, deltoid, bicep, tricep, rectus abdominis.
Any facial muscles?
Yes, yes, yes. In Sinhasan.
Yeah,
And
Sinhasan.